Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today's project is a quick and dirty one, and that is changing the cabin air filter on my 2018 Ford Expedition. And after 6 years and 80,000+ miles, I would say it was definitely overdue. Now, part of this project is separating the plastic clips from the inner storage compartment, and to do that, or to make that process easier, I recommend having a plastic trim removal tool. So let's get started. Quick maintenance for the Expedition: changing out the cabin air filter. Now, I'm not done this, so I'm not sure what to expect. And that gets nowhere. That doesn't get anywhere. Does this come down? This appears to come down. Huh. I'm not sure. I don't see any bolts or anything. Anything up in here? No, nothing. Okay. Something's gonna come apart here. Well, this is rubber. Is this a mat? There's a line right here. Oh, that comes undone. Does this come undone? Okay. 2 bolts. 7. First try. Bolts out. Now, is there anything else that comes out? No. Is there any metal here? No. All right. So how does this come out? This pop down? Well, that's moving. And that moves. And this moves. But I don't have anything else here. Does this come out further? Oh. No, there's a little. There's an arm right here that stops that from coming out. Does this pop out? Does this switch that's right here do anything? Because this appears to be right here. Is there, well, does this dampener come undone? So, okay. That's the dampener, and that's the dampener. So that comes out. But this dampener right here does not. Oh. So, right here where my finger's at, right here, there's a dampener arm. So take the glove box and go up and push and pull, use your other hand to pull the dampener arm towards you. It'll pop out, and then this whole thing will fall down. And that looks much easier. Oh, I see the air filter way up in, how the hell? Okay. So this box has got to come out. Yeah. This lining right here, this has to come out. But, I'm not sure how. Well, that's just all fake. I can't really get my head in there. But up behind this, there's nothing here. Right here's my fingers, if you can see right here. So there's nothing there structurally. other than right here. Okay, there's a clip. Is there more than one clip? This turned into a bigger project than I anticipated it to be. So, looks like there's clips right here. And I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. Okay, so where my hand's at right here, there's two pieces of plastic. You have to separate them. And then there should be, is there a clip right here too, I'm thinking? Yep. So there's a clip there. And then theoretically, this should pull out of here. So what's my hold up on it now? No, nothing there, nothing there. Oh. So this whole thing, oh, so that whole unit comes out. So here's the clip bar you have to pull these clips out of to get to this, to remove it from this bar right here. Now there's a light right here, as you can see. So I'd be very, what the hell does the purpose does the light do? Because there's no, there's no see-through plastic thing for the glove box. Okay. So then back in here, do I have any metal? Right here should be our air filter. And it looks like it's got tabs on the side, left and right, and folds down. Hey, look at that, folks. Found an air filter. And then we want to probably pull this out carefully, because whatever's on top, we don't want to fall in the blower down below. And that is why you change your air filter. Good Lord. So we get a new air filter. I'm gonna put a day's date on it, which is 06/24. And then following what they had, it goes in long ways. Yep. I don't know why this has the wings on it, but this one particularly does. Maybe the Motorcraft one don't. Oh, and that's it. And I have the airflow of the arrow facing down. And then we just reassemble this. Well, that was pretty simple, pretty easy. This goes back in. When you are pulling this out, this carpet insert comes with it. So you have to reach here and separate the carpet where my finger's at and pull it down so you can get it out. But putting it back in, looks like it just snaps back into place. Also, there's two clips right here where my fingers are at. They go right here where my finger's at. Maybe having a trim removal tool might be easy for this situation. And this just snaps back into place like so. Two clips. Make sure all the clips snap along this bottom trim piece right here, and there's a clip right here on the side. Snap it back in, and my two bolts. I'm wondering if I did this out of order. Can this go up? And this go back up. Oh, okay. So I did not do this out of order. But that light, well, that light is stupid. because the light is right here the switch is at, and it's on the other side of this switch, and there's no viewport down here pushing light into this glove box. Who the hell, what engineer thought this one through? Okay, Ford, that's oversight. And then this plastic piece, there's 3 tabs, they go right back here. Push the 3 tabs down and push this down, and we should be done. And that would be it. Air filter changed. And the project is done. I really wish I had my plastic trim removal tool when doing this. Would have made separating the plastic clips much easier. The light that's right here, the light switch, I don't know what it's for because it doesn't really light up the glove box at all. Okay, Ford, and your engineering. The process that I had done here may be applicable to the Expedition's sibling, the Navigator. Actually, it may be applicable to the F-150 series as well. Let me know in the comments if it's a similar procedure. While you're down there, also let me know. Did you wait 6 years and 80,000 miles to change your cabin air filter, or do you keep up on it regularly? Let the users know down below. For more Expedition content, click this playlist. For more content posted this year, click this playlist. And to subscribe to this channel, click here.